A deep space monitoring system detected an object approaching Earth's orbital range. At first, it appeared to be a typical celestial body. No visible propulsion, no emitted signals, no unusual characteristics. It drifted into Earth's orbit naturally, slow, silent, unnoticed. Initial tracking systems classified it as non-threatening, a routine object, another entry into monitored space. But once it stabilized, its behavior changed. Tracking data revealed subtle positional adjustments, small movements, almost invisible, but measurable. Movements too precise to be random, too controlled to be gravitational drift. The object maintained a consistent orientation relative to Earth. Not tumbling, not rotating freely, but fixed. It's almost as if it was observing. At first, scientists questioned the data. Sensor errors, calibration issues, but repeated measurements confirmed it. Motion was real, intentional, controlled. Scientists initiated standard signal scans. Radio waves were transmitted toward the object. Normally, such signals reflect back as simple echoes, predictable, unchanging. But this time, response was different. The returning signal pattern changed, not random, not distorted, structured, organized. Responsive. Each new scan triggered a new response. It's different from the last. More refined, more complex. At first, it seemed like interference, background noise, signal distortion. But analysis showed patterns, repeating structures, adaptive sequences, suggesting learning behavior. The object was not just reflecting signals, it was interacting, adjusting, responding, evolving. Then something even more unusual happened. The object adjusted its orbit again, not drifting, not falling, but repositioning. It began maintaining proximity to observation satellites, matching their relative movement, distance, speed, alignment, without propulsion signatures, without visible force, no exhaust, no heat trail, no detectable energy output, just precise repositioning. As if the rules of motion did not fully apply or were being bypassed. The monitoring teams escalated analysis. Higher frequency scans were deployed, multiple wavelengths, different signal patterns. Each attempt was designed to provoke a response. And for a time, it worked. The signal patterns evolved further, more structured, more complex, almost like communication, not in any known format. No language detected, no code identified, no translation possible. Just structured response. Then, abruptly, everything changed. All communication attempts failed. Signals no longer reached the object, or if they did, no response was returned. Transmission logs showed nothing, no reflection, no distortion, just silence. Yet the object remained in orbit, unchanged, stable, present, still aligned with Earth, still maintaining position, still watching. Attempts to re-establish contact continued. Different frequencies, different signal strengths. Nothing worked. The object had stopped responding, not malfunctioning, not drifting away, just no longer engaging. This raised deeper concerns. Was the interaction complete? Or had it lost interest? Or worse, had it learned enough? Some scientists propose unknown natural phenomena, exotic materials, affecting signal behavior, unexplored physics-altering reflection patterns. Others suggest a more advanced explanation, a system capable of adaptation, learning from interaction, responding in real time, then choosing when to stop. The adaptive response pattern remains unexplained. No known natural process matches this behavior, no known technology. No confirmed explanation exists. The object remains classified, continuously monitored, but not understood, which raises a critical question. If it entered orbit intentionally, was it observing, testing, learning, or waiting? Because if it came here by choice, then silence may not mean absence. It may mean completion or preparation. If you want the full story, go to Mysterious Monsters, watch the full video, answer the quiz, and tell us your theory. Because if it entered orbit on purpose, it may not be here by accident.